Hello everyone. Today we will see how to write thesis, research articles, review papers effectively in the MS Word. So first of all we will see what basic practice we do while writing the articles in MS Word and how it take a lot of time for us. We can save the time by using some of the effective methods which I will show today. So let's see how we do. For this we will we will take one research paper for example, and we will take content from that paper, and we see that how we can do effectively. For this we will take one research paper. This is my own research paper. So from this I will take example. So first of all we will see that what basic practice we follow. For example, if we want to start writing one article, so what we do, we will write introduction, then we will put some content. Let's take example. We will take this content and we will write here, and again we want to review of literature will be my second heading, and let's keep it the same content. For example, so this is my review of literature. Next, raw materials, and let's keep the content same. So what the basic we do that for numbering this, we simply click on this, so make it also like this. We have to do it individually, and raw material, and next will be the results, and content will be the same. Next is the discussion. So again we have to do manually result and discussion. So like this we have changed the numbering, and again this is not in a proper way. So we have to change this again. Times New Roman, do 12, justified, line spacing should be 1.5, and this heading should be in bold. So we have to do individually each and every heading. So this takes a lot of times and also quite hectic. So one more thing, that in this section we want to add some subsection like raw materials. In this we will add materials. So make this subsection. For that we have to write manually. Okay, for making this subsection we have to write it manually, 3.1, and then it bold. So now it becomes subsection of this section. So these all things we have to do manually. Okay, this is how we do, and each and every time we have to change the font size, font color, even the justify, we have to justify, we have to change the line spacing. These are the basic practice. Now what I'm gonna show you, that you don't have to do each and everything every time. So we don't know the use of these styles. So today we will use these styles which will help us to write effectively the articles. So let's click on this. Whenever you open the MS Word, simply this thing will be selected. What is this? That whenever we write this, it will be come under this section. Whenever you simply change this, so it will change automatically. Let's keep it normal. Now go to this and simply modify it. Here it is in Calibri form, so we have to change this Times New Roman. Let's change it to 12 font, and color will be automatic. And come to this, we have to justify it, and select the format, go to paragraph. Here we see the one segment line spacing, keep it 1.5. So the distance between two lines will be 1.5. Click OK or simply click OK. Now what happened? I'll show you. Let's copy paste something, just we already did. Now paste it. See, automatically it came in Times New Roman, justified, 12 font size, and line graph a line spacing is 1.5. We don't have to do anything. Okay, now this was the inside content. Let's talk about the heading. Let's write here introduction, same like we did previously. Okay, so this is overall we have written this. Now here we see that we having heading 1, heading 2, heading 3. So first of all we have to assign this heading 1, heading 2, heading 3 to any heading. We have to first modify, we have to change it. So change it to Times New Roman, Times New Roman, keep it 12 or as much you want, keep it justified and keep it bold. And last time paragraph, everything is okay, so simply click OK. Now go to the heading 2, modify it again, Times New Roman 12 bold, automatic, OK. Go to heading 3, modify, Times New Roman again 12, automatic. So everything look good. So here I have already modified, and here after heading 3 we are unable to see the heading 4. So it's we don't have to concern this, because whenever you assign any heading to heading 3, automatically heading 4 will appear over here. So let's do this one by one. This is our introduction. Let's assign this heading 1. So it automatically took the all the assigned format, like it is in bold, Times New Roman 12. For example, let's modify it and I want this in 14 font size. Click it OK. So it automatically changed the 14 size. Let's review of literature. It is also heading 1 itself. So now this time it came with the 14 font size and bold, Times New Roman. Raw material, it is also our heading 1. Experimental setup is the part of this heading, so it's a subsection. Assign, we have to assign it heading 2. Okay, next procedure is also heading 2. Remove this, and result and discussion is the again part of heading 1. So it came like this. Now we have to assign the number to this, like 1, 2, 3. For this, simply go this one, and here we see that 1, 1.1, heading 1, heading 2, heading 3, 4, 1.1. So we simply click on this. Now you see procedure, we have to click heading 2. Okay, this came automatically. Introduction 1, review of literature 2, raw material 3, and the subsection of raw material, experimental setup, procedure. This came with the 3.2. For example, we will take one something like this and we will assign heading 3. So we will see that whether heading 4 is coming or not. For showing you, we will assign it heading 3. Okay, it came like 3.2.1. I didn't assign heading 3 in bold, but we want it in italic. So let's do in italic and click OK. So now this look good. This came in italic font without bold. Now you see when I assign this heading as heading 3, automatically heading 4 came. When you assign heading 4, then heading 5 will come. So you don't have to concern with that. Okay, this is how we write headings and their content and those formatting you have to do manually, so sorry for that. Okay, let's add some figures or tables. We want to add some figures in introduction. Let's take some figure from this paper. For this, for example, to take the figure, if you want to take a screenshot out of from this, I will show how to do. Simply click window shift S, so this section will come. So click on this and simply drag and make a rectangular and leave it. It automatically crop this image. Now come to this word file, control V, paste it. See, it came here. Okay, so here I have inserted figure here into this. Let's take one more figure, for example this. Simply follow the same step, experimental setup. Let's add this figure here, control V. Okay, for example I will take one more figure. Let's add this into results. Okay, results and discussion. Here I will add that figure. Okay, I got 3 figures in this paper. Now, so what we do, that to writing figures, we write simply figure, fig, or whatever you do. So we have to do figure 1, then column, then blah blah blah. We write the name of this figure. In second also we simply enter, then again figure 2 colon and blah blah blah. So right, like this we do a name of the figuring. Unfortunately we have to delete this figure. Let's cut this. We have to remove this. What happened now? We have to manually change the figure name this to 1. So this thing is not handy. We like, whenever we have to remove anything, we have to change the coming next all those figures manually. That is very time consuming, so we don't want to do this. To avoid those things, simply right click, go to insert caption. Here it came with figure 1. If you want to give colon, give it colon, write the name. I will write 3D model, and okay, it came with 3D model. Again for this I will do the same. Go to the insert caption. It came automatically figure 2, give it colon if you want. See, here it came with number 2. If you want to change it, you can change this one or ABCD. If you want, you can change, but I will keep it same. Okay, here I will write the name missing. Okay, here came with the missing. Again I will do with this one also. This one is correct. Okay, so done here. Okay, we have 3 figure. Now is that if we have to insert one figure, for example I will take here one figure. We have to enter one figure here. So what will happen, that if figure number will start from here 1, then 2, then 3, then 4. So we have to change each and every figure one by one, but it won't happen in this case. Let's see how. Take the one more figure. Okay, I will take this figure and I will insert here. Let's write the name figure 1. Let's write the name plot. Okay, so I have written the name plot. So next, see, this get automatically updated figure 2, and this one figure 3 and figure 4. We do not have to change each and every figure's numbering every time. This was about the figure. Same thing, if for that case what we have to do, instead of here figure, we will simply select the table and it will come with table number, and you relocate where it will be, like it will be above this section. Usually we write the table name number above the table and figure name number below the figure. So this format we follow, and this is how we do. Now the main part is that whenever we completed all those things, we want the table of content, list of figures in the our dissertation. So for that we have to do manually, like this isn't, this figure is on page number 1, this figure is on page number 2, or this heading is on page number 3. Like this we have to do each and every time we have to write. Or unfortunately whenever we increase some content, this content will shift it to the next page. We have to do update the again table of content manually, but this in my case it won't happen. It will automatically get updated. For that we have assigned this one, we have assigned the this table of table number and table name. Now to update to get the table of content list of figures, simply go to the reference, click on table of content. Now in which format you want, so usually I keep this first one, so simply click in first one. Now it automatically get like this. You can see we have content, introduction is on page number 1, review of literature on page number 2, and subhead with the subheading it came. So like this we got. If we delete any of this, like if we delete the review of literature, for example, let's delete this, still here we see that review, but it didn't get updated. To update this, simply click on update. See, now it reduce. Now review part get deleted and it updated. Let's keep it review. Okay, this was the table of content. If we want to add the list of figure or list of table, so simply here go to this section, caption, here insert table of figures. Okay, simply go here and click OK. See here we got updated. Figure 1 is plot on page number 2, figure 2 is 3D model on page number 3. Like this we get updated of all figures. If you add any further figures, it automatically get updated. So this is how we do the formatting and adding table of content and list of figures. This is the best way to follow and write smoothly your thesis. Okay, so here we have done how to write thesis smoothly. Thank you very much.